Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you a quick screencast of what Pop It Up is all about, just to kind of give you a little introduction because I know a lot of you have never used our other website, Shop the Row, and this might just be brand new to a lot of you. So I just kind of want to tell you, first of all, this isn't a video that you will want to share with your teams or anything like that. This is really casual, and since this is just being released into beta, then things are going to be changing a lot this month. We're going to be listening to your feedback. And so, yeah, this is just really casual and not professional whatsoever. So, don't share it with people. Thanks. Okay, so this is the Pop It Up dashboard. And this is just some quick stats that you can look through. It shows you your inventory, pending orders, completed orders, revenue, and then there'll be a lot of graphs and stats here. And also some videos that will help you learn the different steps to using Pop It Up. So this is kind of like the hub. This is where you go and get all of your information just at a quick glance. Okay, so then you'll come over to your inventory page. You'll need to add all of your inventory onto this page. So I've gone ahead and uploaded a few of some photos here. I said I was a Smile consultant, and these are not Smile, I realize that, but these were the pictures that I just had on my computer. So I went through and added these, and these are my attributes. I'm going to show you how to add inventory quickly. You'll come and click Add Inventory, and then here's the attributes that you will choose based on the company that you are selling for. So this is Smile. The automatic ones that will pop up is style, size, and fabric type. You don't need to use those if you don't want to. You can exit them out and then make up your own, or sorry, my son just walked in here. So here's a little, if you click more, you can see different ideas, a collection, a pattern. You could do colors, whatever you want, whatever will work best for your business. So you get to kind of decide that. So I'm going to go ahead and just say I got a ballerina dress. The size is 5 to 6, the fabric type super soft, and then just to show you, I'm going to choose a color, or you could type it in too, so maybe like item if you wanted to specify there. You could do item, and then it's a dress, and so you can create it right there. Wholesale price, I don't know what it is, so I'm just gonna make it up. And then you'll come down, you can type a description, so anything you want to remember about this item, and then you can upload your file, your picture. And then you wait for it to process. You can also, once you've uploaded, you can actually pick from your image library too if you have duplicates. So like for lip scent, you get more of the blue-red color in, and you've already uploaded it once. You don't have to go find that picture again on your computer. It will be in your image library. Then you can update the purchase date and then the quantity. So I'm going to say have 4 of these, and then you can submit and add another. And again, it will just bring you back here. I'll just do it one more time so you can see if I wanted to add anything else, or actually I'm going to leave the fabric type off this time. I don't remember what I said. And again, choose a picture. And I have 2 of those. Okay, so you'll just continue to do that until you've added all of your inventory, and then on your final one, it will take you back to your inventory page. So there they are. Those are the 2 I just added. So it has, this page has the menu. You can edit from here, delete, sell it outside of Pop It Up, which I'll explain a little bit later, rotate. There's also the item ID, the image, the quantity of what you have, attributes, whatever you put on there when that you want to remember, that you want your customers to know. Links, I'll show you that in a minute. Wholesale price and retail price. So over here on the left is the refine by. You can filter out based on what you've entered with your attributes. So if, for example, I just want to see my ballerina dresses, I can click here and my ballerina is right there. If I only want to see my tutti, if I want to see my size and my what size I have in that style, you can do that. So you can filter it a lot of different ways there, so you can just play around with it there. Okay, so now that you've got your inventory on Pop It Up, how do you get it onto Facebook? Down at the bottom of the table, there's a lot of buttons here. Download QR code labels. Those are awesome. I'll probably do a video about that a little bit later. I'm just wanting to show you the basics right now. Edit, so bulk editing. Post to Facebook, delete Facebook, cancel, queued, add to party, remove from party. So there's a lot of buttons here. I'm going to show you how to post to Facebook. So I'm going to choose just one style right now. I want to do my classic caps, and I'll select all of them, or I don't have to select all of them. I can just do one size or one style or whatever, or fabric, whatever I want to post at that time. So I'm just going to do all my classic caps, and then I'm going to choose post to Facebook. And right here, you'll need to log in to Facebook, sync it up to your Facebook account, and you'll need to give it the correct permissions. Just make sure that it's public and that people can see it. It's always good to click this little refresh button to make sure that it can find the album or group that you're trying to post to. So I have a group already. I have a lot of groups that I'm an admin of, but I'm going to choose I Heart Pop It Up. And then I have a ballerina album in there already, but I want to create a new album because I want to put my classic caps in a new album. So I'll name it Classic Cap and then choose my cover photo. And again, if you have the same cover photos that you use over and over again, you can just pick them from your image library once you've uploaded them once. Now down here is the message that needs to be populated for each Facebook post, and we kind of have some keywords here. You'll put these keywords in these brackets right here. So here's some messages that I've used. Click to buy this item for price, URL, attributes. So if I just go ahead and copy that and paste it, it will automatically generate the correct words. So it will, when it's posting to Facebook. So click to buy this item will be changed to Classic Cap for price, and it's whatever the retail price is, and then it will generate a unique URL for each item, and then it will have the list of attributes. And if you need help with this, we do have show formatting help right there, as well as Facebook troubleshooting. So I'm going to go ahead and post to Facebook right now. And there it goes. It says successfully queued 2 listings for posting to Facebook. It might take a few minutes for all of them to show up. It just takes a little bit for us to get them over to Facebook. And it will, next to the ones that you've posted, it's going to have a little queued with an eye that tells you when you posted it, for what time, so you can make sure, double check that you've scheduled the right time. You can also schedule it for in advance. If you are for later, if you're wanting them to post right when you're making dinner, then during nap time you can go in and schedule your posts for like 5 o'clock at night when you know you'll be cooking dinner and won't be able to post your items. And then Pop It Up will send those over to Facebook at 5 o'clock. So these are posting right now. I do have some posted already that I'm just going to show you. Once they have posted, it's going to have the link to the photo. You can click it right there. And it will take you over to Facebook. And there's my album, and it's going to pop me up to the photo. And do you see it put in the correct keyword? So click to buy this ballerina. The size is 5'6", the item's number 28 for $35. And then there's the unique URL, the style, size, and fabric type. So if I was a customer and I saw this on somebody's Facebook page, they're selling ... smile, and I'm ready to buy this ballerina or dress, or I want to know more information, then I would just need to click this URL right here, and it will take me to the Pop It Up page, my profile, the consultant's profile. It's going to have the picture, it's going to have all the info right here, and how many there are, and then I would just add it to my cart. Easy, right? And then when I'm done shopping, I can view it in my cart. These are the things that I've claimed. I can remove an item or I can keep it. The consultant, that will be who I'm buying it from for this test account. The name is Pop It Up. And then I'll just need to enter all of these required fields and click Done Shopping. And then the consultant has been notified that I'm done shopping. So it just took me back to my dashboard, but for a customer it would take them to a different page. Anyway, so that is how a customer claims. That's how you post to Facebook. This is what it looks like when it shows back up on Facebook. So back to Pop It Up, you can look at your dashboard. Here's my inventory. I've got one pending order here, and here it is. And so once I send them an invoice, I can click that. It tells me exactly what they ordered, and then once they paid, and once I ship it, then it's ready. That way I can know exactly if I've taken care of this order or not. So there you go. That is